This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य गुरुवासरः अथवा बृहस्पतिवासरः ज्येष्ठ शुद्ध चतुर्दशी दिनांक 4 जून 2020 सहस्रयोगम पृष्ठ 33 शंखं चक्रं जलौकान्दधतमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिहृद्याशुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमम्भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगतवनप्रौढदावाहिनीम् प्रौढदावाग्निवीरम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विश्वश्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुः आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रयच्छत् मुनिसत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। वासा गुडुचि त्रिफला कट्वी भूनिम्बनिम्बजः पाथक्षौद्रयुतो हन्ति पाण्डुपित्तासकामलाः। तर्हि एतेषां वासादीनां कषायः वातः शीतकृतः चौद्रयुतः पाण्डुपित्तासकामलाः हन्ति। अयमेव शारङ्गधरे तावत् फलत्रिकादिकषायः नाम्ना प्रसिद्धः। एवञ्च दातार गुरुजी महोदयैः अस्यैव उपयोगः फलत्रिकादिकुकुलनिर्माणे कृतोऽस्ति। अतः तेषां परम्परायाम् अयं फलत्रिकादिकुकुलनाम्ना ख्यातः। So this is in use by many actually, and one of the important thing is it is also good for Raktapitta as well, though this is mentioned in Pandurogadhaya, Pandurogadikar. So it is also useful in Raktapitta and Kamala. So it is most commonly used in Kamala and both in Rupavatta and Bahukama as well. तिन्त्रिणी तरुण पर्ण शलाका लोह पिष्ट विजया पुनर्नवैः इक्षुबिल्व सहितैः श्रुतं जलं पाण्डुमाशु सगुणं। So तिन्त्रिणी तरुण पत्र शलाका, veins of tender leaves of chinsa. Now this I am looking for the first time. Chinchakshara palam patugraka palam nimbu rasakarpatam. This is about the Shankhavati and such. But therein the Chinchakshara has been used. And here Chinsa patra, the venation of that. So Taruna Parana Shalaka, and that Shalaka is veins of tender leaves of Chinsa. Now there is a mention about Patya Vranta Shatarase in Pandurugadhaya. So the Vranta of Haritaki has been used, and Pansarkar was very keen about this. He said that this is the srotas of that Patya. In the same way, this is the srotas of the whole leaf as such. And then Lohakitta is Mandura, Vijaya is Haritaki, Punarnava, Ikshu, and Bilva. Shrutam Jalam Sagudam, Pandum Ashu Vinihanti. So it is to be given with Kuda, and that conquers Pandu immediately. So we may have to think about this. I am using Gaudarishta actually. Manjushat रजनी द्राक्षाबला मूलां न्यायोरजः गौतम चैतेषि गौडस्यात् अरिष्टः पाण्डुरोगणः. So there is a difference between the dravyas and maybe I'm not sure whether this is available in the market or not. Tintrini Adi or something like that. And that might be useful to use this in Panduroga. Of course, it is containing Loha Mandura as such. कामलाहर कषाय वासा गुडुची यष्ट्याव कथकामृत बालकै सनिंदै कामलाम अन्या पातक शौद्राज्य संयुता. Quite strange. So Amruta Balaka is Rivera. Otherwise, Amruta and Balaka, Guruchi and Valaka is Ushira. Vasa Guruchi Yashtyav Yashtimadu Kataka, Amruta and Valaka. Amruta Valaka has done one Rivera. Sanimbai Kamalam Hanya. Patak Shaudrajya Sanjukha. And even then, there is also addition of Guruta in that. Not available. Krupaya Hindi mein. Actually, we had decided because I have talked about Charaka in English fully for the whole text. So that is already available. Previous recording is available. Now there will be a mismatch if I in between start with Hindi for this. The basic concept is it should reach a global community. And since the recording remains, after some years, maybe 10 years, 15 years, 50 years, there might be a desire for somebody to look for what is available across the globe. And then they would find it. So I'm not sure of the current population of Vaidyas who might be interested in this. And but still, this knowledge is important, and so I am specifically making it in English so that it remains. There had been opposition even from Marathi group. Why I'm going for English and why should not be talking in Marathi? But only thing is, if I talk in Marathi, then it will be only going to Marathi people. And if at least I talk in English, then most of the Vaidyas, they do understand English as well. Though Hindi is a better choice for them, for non-Maharashtrians. But still, I'm of opinion that this might be done in English right now. When we go for next text or something like that, we make a decision about that, whether we should go for Hindi or English. Anyway, I will continue Charak in Hindi. There is no problem with that because there is already available, that is already available in English. Secondly, I started with this Hindi dialogue in the morning today. Swadeshi and Paryavaran Savartaka in Hindi. So you might have received those who are receiving my audios. So I will try to put them on this Telegram group. So there will be one audio every day in Hindi so that it reaches across country as such. So this Vasa Guruchi Yashtava Katakamruta Valakaihi Sanimbeh Kamilam Hanyat. I'm a bit difference of opinion. I have a bit difference of opinion about this Amruta Valaka, whether it is one word, as what he has said is Rivera, but Valaka itself is Rivera many places before also. So Amruta, Guruchi is already there, so he might not have taken Amruta as Guruchi. And that is one synonym for Amalaki as well. So we may consider Amalaki in this scenario. That is also possible. But if by tradition it is Amrutavalaka is rebearer, then prepare decoction by boiling the above specified drugs with and administering intervally with honey. Yes, slipped the Ajya. So Gruta have not been mentioned over here. So that also should be a part of this thing. And for Gruta, we can add it while it is hot. And when it cools down, then we may add honey. If you are adding Gruta after it is cooled down, then this might be troublesome or something. It may not mix up thoroughly well. So maybe we think about this, and if there is no tradition of this using ghee in it, then that is another important issue. निम्बत्वक त्रिफला पटोल रजनी वासामृता सारिवा श्यामा तामलकी पलंकषा बला नीली स्थिरा यष्टिभि सिद्धोमाक्षिक पिप्पली गिरिजतु प्रक्षेपणात् संस्कृतः वातः कुम्भक हलीमकं प्रशमयेत् बिन्दन् दिनैः पञ्चशैः. Quite big part. Nimbatvak, Triphala, Patola, Ragani is Haridra, Vasa, Amrita, Sariva, Shama, Tamalaki, Gumyamalaki, Palankasha is good. Palankasha is Gokshura. This is strange. Palankasha is a synonym of Bugulu, etc. As far as I remember. Bala, Nili, Stira, Vishnukarani, Yashti. सिद्धो माक्षिक पिप्पली गिरिजतु प्रक्षेपणात् संस्कृतः. And when it is done, then makshika pippali girijatu is the prakshepa. So Shilajit makshika pippali. Vatha kumbha halimakam prashamet bindan dineh panchashay. So within 5-6 days, this specifies kumbha halimaka. So kumbha kamala and halimaka. Specified drugs are identified with honey, pippali, and shilajatu for 5 days. So I have this doubt about Palankasha. She is saying as Gokshura. And in my remembrance, it's not a pariyaya for Gokshura as such. So may throw light on this. In my text, it is Kataka Amala Valakya Kai. Katakamala Valakai. What is Katakamala Valakai? Palankasha is Gambhari taken here in Hindi book. Gambhari. Okay. Whether this is available, Nimbat Vasadi, Nimbat Tripaladi or something like that in market, then we may try to see the ingredients. What is available in the market? No, sir. So, Patha Kumbh Halimakam Prashamayet Bindan Dinai Panchashayi. And actually, the part says that it breaks this Kumbha Kamala and Hamil Halimaka within 5-6 days. He has done only 5 days, and that is also incomplete in a way. So, I don't know whether somebody is looking into the Sanskrit part of this, and they are just following English or Hindi, or maybe Malayalam, whatever is translation is there. Nobody is trying to look into what actually the part says, and that is dangerous. So we may go for the correction in these. That is one aspect from Sanskrit language, and then put Sandhi Vigraha, Samas Vigraha, and Anvaya. What is the meaning of that? That might be given for Sahasra Yogam, and that will be. I also remember Palankasha is good. There is no doubt Palankasha is good, but whether uh, Gokshur is synonym of Gokshur as well. Can you give the reference from where it has been taken? That would be better. शोफकर कषाय तथ्या पुनर्नवा निशाकणमूल वन्नि चित्राब्द जीरक सुरद्रुम मागधीना वाथम पिबे च्वयतु दंडः धरात् दंडधरात् सजीवोऽप्युपतुष्टते शिवसमाश्रितबालः तुल्यः स्वयथु दंडधरात् जीवोऽपि दंडधरात् जीवोऽपि अच्छा तो दंडधरात् जीव अपि उपतिष्ठते शिवसमाश्रितबालः तुल्यः शिवसमाश्रितबालः तुल्यः So पथ्या पुनर्नवा निशा कणामूल is पिंपळी मूळ वन्नी चित्रक चित्रा again एरंड okay अब्द is मुस्तान चीरक सुरद्रुम is देवदारू मागधी पिप्पली okay पलंकशाश्वतंश्चाच तथा स्वादु इषुगंधिका okay so there is a paryaya of this is a paryaya of Gokshura as well so fine पलंकशा गुग्गुलु गोक्षुर लाक्षा अनेक अर्थ okay it is available as पथ्या पुनर्नवादि कषाय पथ्या पुनर्नवादि कषाय prepare a decoction by boiling the above specified drugs sarvanga shofa so shvayatu dandadharat jiva that is the shvayatu rupi danda or something like that that has captured the person jiva api uttishtate even then also he recovers shiva samashrita balaha tulyaha whether there is any mythology behind this shiva samashrita bala so a bala who has taken shelter from with Shiva. So it is comparable with that. So this is still not clear what actually it is. So Shvayathu itself is Dandadhara and that has captured the jiva of whom that is also to be understood or something. Anyway, this हिंदी मध्ये काय आहे का सापड नाही आहे. So this is available as Pathya Punarnavadi Prashad. The Jiraka Sudadrama Magadhinam. So this might be useful in Sarvanga Shotha kidney failure as such. In Udara Gadhodakavastha. Pictures. Where we are. Not understanding what is happening. Where it has gone. Pathya Punarnava Nisha. गोक्षुर आर्द्रक वर्षाभू पथ्या दारु महौषधेहि सरसोनेक क्षुरैः सिद्धं तोयं शोफहरं परम्. सरसोन इक्षुरैः सिद्धं तोयं शोफहरं परम्. So Gokshura Ardraka Varshabhu, that is Punarnava, Pathya Daru is Darvi, Mahoshadai Shunti. Ardraka and Shunti both. Sarasona Ikshurai and Rasona and Ikshuraka Siddhantoyam Shofaharam Param. Let us see what you say. हो नाही वागता रक्ताकडे जाईल असं काही नाहीये. गोक्षुर आर्द्रक वर्षाभू रक्त पुनर्नवा पथ्याहरितकी दारू दारू महौषधी शुंठी रसोन and इक्षुरक shova. Now this is quite strange. Ardraka and shunthi both are given, that is Shotha. Shofa is generally Vataja Shotha. Shotha is general term. So this is containing Rasona and Ikshuraka. And Ardraka and Shunthi both. It's quite strange. Patola Darvi Pichumarda Tikta Trayam Tika Yashti Vrusham Botham Jalam Visarpam Vinyahanti Dhati Patola Mustecha Shuntambu Tatvat. So this is, there is Patola Adhikam Eva Vine Visarpa in Vagmata, but that Patola is Patola Kiturini Chandanam, Badasrava Guru Pathan. Here it is quite different. Patola, Darvi, Pichumarda is Nimba. Tikta is Katurania Kutki. Trayantika, Yashti, Vrusha is Vasa. Ambu is Musta. Jalam Visarpam Vinihanti. Dhatri Patola Mustesha Shutambu Tattva. And even Dhatri Patola and Musta, these three only, is also having the same property. So this is simple. Dhatri Patola Musta. We may try to this Patola Darvyadi, is it available? Vaidyaratnam. Okay. No. मुस्तारिष्ट पटोल दारु रजनी द्राक्षा बला नागरैः सायन्त्युत्पल धन्वयास धनिका पुनिन्द सेव्याम्बुभिः श्रेष्ठा निम्ब कुकूलकैश्च सकणैः सिद्धा कषाया मरुत् पित्तश्लेष्म विसर्प दर्प शमनाः प्रोक्तास्त्रयस्ते क्रमाः. So these are three actually. So the Mustarishta Patola Daru Rajani Daksha Bala Nagar. This is for Vataja. Trayanti Utpala Dhanvayasa Dhanika Bhunimba Sevyambhubi. This is for Pitta. And Shrestha Nimba Kukula Kreshta Sakane is, that is for Kapha. Visarpa Darpa Shamanaha Proktastreste Krama. Not Ikshurasa, it is Kopilaksha in Hindi book. But see the original part. तुझ्याकडे तो पाठ आहे का ओरिजिनल हिंदी मध्ये? बघ. इक्षुरैः, that was there. सरसेन इक्षुरम सिद्धं सोयम शोभारंपरा. So it is Ikshura, Ikshuraihi, that is the part, and Ikshura is Ikshuraka. Kokilakshi hai. Ikshuraka is Kokilaksha. No, also but seems. For Visarpahar Kashayavan Patola to Abhaya and Dhatri Patola Musta seems to be two different Kashayas. Yeah, these are different Kashayas definitely. So Dhatri Patola Musta is general Visarpa and Musta Rishta Patola Daru Rajani Draksha Bala Nagare. There is no Dhatri. In this Parvata, Trayanti Utpala Dhanvayasa Dhanika Nimba Sevyambhubi. Shrestha Nimba Kukulakaischa Sakanaihi. So Kukulaka, that we may have to see. Musta Arishta Nimba Patola Daru Rajani Draksha Bala Nagar Shunti. This is for Vataja. Trayanti Utpala Dhanvayasa, that is Dhamasa Dhanika Bodimba Kadechirai Sevya Ushira Ambubhi Ribera. Shrestha Triphala. Nimba Kulaka is Patola. Nimba Kukulaka. He has taken it as only Kulaka. Kanapippali. So there is a difference between Kulaka and Kukulaka. तुमच्यात हिंदी मध्ये काय केलंय? Kukulaka. Yeah, Kukulaka say. What is the meaning that is given in Hindi? Prepare kashaya with the above 3 groups of drugs, 1, 2, 3 group for decoction are specially indicated Vataja Visarga, Pittaja Visarga, and Kapaja Visarga respectively. That is fine. Kukulaka is also Patola. Jivanti Hiruberica Berica Trifalika Vasamruta Sariva Shunti Yashti Payoda Chandana Patola Ushira Nimbai Shubaha Nikvathoštama Shoshito Madhugura Prakshepanat Samskrutaha Pitasche Dvaritena Tasya Pitakotpatte Prasanga Kutaha. So Jivanti Ribera Trifala Vasa Amruta Sariva Shunti Yashti Payoda is Musta again. Chandana Patola Ushira Nimba Nikvathoštama Shoshito and Ashtama was to be made with Madhu and Guda. He doesn't say about Niskvatoshtama Shoshita. Actually, Ashtama Shoshita is Ashtama Bhaga has been evaporated or something like that. Otherwise, it may be Ashtama Sheshita that might be a part. So kept only one at part. Madhuguda Prakshepanat Sanskrutaha. And Sanskrita with Madhuguda Prakshepa. Pitashte Jvaritena. And if this is done by Jvarita, Tasya Pitakotpattehe Prasanga Kutaha. Then where is the chance of getting Pitaka Utpatti? Masurika. Then our diagnosis should be Masurika first and then try to use this Vatha. Is this available in the market? Given the Hiruberica. Pathya Banavadavadi Kashayam effective in Kapha or Vatha Shof. I think in general Shof, but better for Kapha more or something like that. So Jivanti Riberadi, what is the thing available? By what name it is available? Jivantyadi Kashaya. Paripathadi Sarkha Ahe Kaha Pathana. Paripathadi generally used after when the fever has gone. So it is generally not used during fever. That this might be given in Jwara itself. And if you are sure that this is Romantika or Masurika kind of thing. ABS. Okay. So this can be given even before that will be better or something like that.
ABS नाव काय आहे?
Jivantyadi
काय आहे?
Kashaya. Jivantyadi Kashaya.
म्हणजे तो पार्ट छोटा आहे ना?
नाही मोठा आहे पाठ.
आपण जो जेवण कधी याच्यात वापरतो
ते घृत आहे का?
काय आहे? पण मग तो आणि हा पाठ एकाच आहे का?
नाही का? कसं पूर्ण अधिकारच वेगळे आहेत. काही संबंधच नाही. एक कुष्ठाधिकारातला जीवनत्यागी मत आणि दुसरा आहे तो उत्तरीय मनवासनमसाठी आलेला आहे. दॅट इज ऑल्सो डिफरंट. Anyway, this remembered me one of my cases, actually William Johnson syndrome. There was high grade fever for 2 months. The patient was admitted in KM hospital in Pune and they were unable to diagnose it. And thereafter the patient had blisters all over the body. and then it was diagnosed that William Johnson syndrome, one kind of Riberica means Sugandhivala. So autoimmune disorder, and the condition was very bad. The patient was going to die. So they had in relation when senior Vaidya from Dombivli, Ketkar. So they invited him. He saw and he said, I can't handle the case from Dombivli. So you need somebody from Pune, and he suggested my name actually. So I got involved and I made a diagnosis of Visarpa, Pitaji Visarpa. And then I started with Patolari from Vagbhat 15th chapter, Patola Kotoru and Chandaranga with some Durva, Kamdurva, etc. She responded well, recovered completely, and was saved. So initially it was only this high grade fever, and then there were Vispotaka, not actually Pidaka, but Vispotaka all over the body. Kukulaka is something different. Sulfur drug reaction. Can this kada used in Mukhadushika? Mukhadushika has a different samprapti, really speaking, associated with menstrual cycle. So it has some role of Shukradushti as such. And in some cases, Raktadushti is also found. AVS कंपनीचा कोणत्या नावाने उपलब्ध आहे? So Jivantyadi, as what he has said already. काय म्हणते तू?
मसुरीला असं ह्याच्यात पण आलंय ना म्हणजे
मुखदोषिका ना? I don't know. Okay. And Madhuguna Prakshepa is there. So Shitalika Masurika, we may try to use this cloth if it is readily available. शुंठी बला निंब पटोल कुष्टै सधान्यकै सामलकै समुस्तैः श्रुतः कषाय उन्यन्ति पानात् मसूरिकाम् अष्टविधाम् मधुढः. She recovered completely. So I just completed that. She was on steroids, the fever subsided, so we tapered off the steroids and stopped them completely. And thereafter, the Vispotakas required 2 to 3 months to subside totally. But she totally recovered, and it's fine thereafter. So this was the only case of William Johnson syndrome that I have treated, which is autoimmune disorder. Only with Patolari, that was the main. And Durva, Sariva, etc. had been given along with that. Chunti bala nimbak patola kushtai sadhanya samalake samustai shrutak kashaya vinyahanti panat masurikam ashtavidham madhudha. Madhudha is plenty of madhu or something like that. Shunti bala nimba patola kushta dhanya ka amalaka. And musta, where is musta? Shunti bala nimba patola kushta dhanya ka amalaka. And samustai has dropped translation of musta internally with honey. 8 types of masurika. So Shunti Baladi, not only with Patoladi Kashaya. Patoladi Kashaya was the main, that is what I am saying. But I had used Durva and Sariva, something like that. I don't remember right now. But these were also used. So this also seems fine. Only it should contain musta as well, which is not in the translation. हिंदी मध्ये आहे काय याचं translation मध्ये musta?
मुस्त तर नाही घ्यायचं.
Huh?
नाही घ्यायचं रावण त्याची शाही.
I don't know what is happening really.
हिंदीलाच पाहिजे.
Is there no Sanskrit scholar who is looking into these translations, either Hindi or English? Then that's a need if we are just following Hindi or English translation without looking into the Sanskrit text and such.
नाही याच्याकडे मल्याळम किंवा हे जाणणार ना तर त्याचा जास्त क्लिअर होईल.
There might be text available in Malayalam and we may have to see their pathas as such. But anyway, what I feel, there is a dire need of going to Sanskrit versions for all texts. In my book, Busta is written. Okay, fine. Yes, I agree with madam, not madam. Okay. So, what I feel right now, what the effort that we are taking over here is reading original Sanskrit text, and that will be my what you can say aim and objective for all texts, whether it is this text or any other text. I will go through the Sanskrit text itself, and we may look into Hindi, English, or Marathi translations, whatever is available, or something like that. We may not rely on that. That will be different. So while preparing Durvagruta, should we use only top Trishula shaped leaves or the whole grass? Yeah, we have to use the whole grass as such, and not only the agra of Durva as such. चंदन परपटकामृत वल्ली सेव्य जलांबुद धान्यक सिद्धम पुष्कर मुद्रम उदाह विमिश्रम स्फोटमशेषम अपोहति सद्यः. तो विस्फोटहर कषाय, चंदन परपटक अमृतवल्ली सेव्य जलांबुद धान्यक सिद्धम. We may look for चंदन परपटक अमृतवल्ली is guruchi, sevya is ushira, jala musta ambuda ribera, धान्यक पुष्कर मूल, तीव्र विस्फोटक विदायुक्त विस्फोटक. So for me there was a possibility to diagnose this as Vispotaka Jwara as well, which is Sandipatika Jwara. But somehow I arrived at Pitta Visarpa, and since this is given in Pitta Visarpa, I started with that. We were working on Ayata Nidana software at that time. So I entered this case into this Ayata Nidana much later. And surprisingly, it gave first diagnosis as so please write the book on Sahasra Yoga. Huge demand for it. I don't know whether the Keralians will accept it or like it or not. Whatever they are using, this might be something strange for them.
Collaboration expense.
So, but it's better to at least correct these Sanskrit pathas. That is one thing. And if there is a difference of opinion as per Sanskrit text, that should be clearly mentioned. That will be better. So let us have a corrected version of original Sanskrit text, and that's not very difficult, actually, truly speaking. So Patala Trifa Rishta Guduchi Dhavani Vrishay, the Arishta and Guduchi should be one word like that. Kushtajit Vajrakam Smritam. Okay. So what I feel right now, prepared decoction by violin. So when I entered this case into the Aita Nidana, surprisingly it gave first diagnosis as Pittaja Visarpa, and I was very happy that my software is working well. Now with Pratipadika Kosha, we will be bringing out diagnostic and treatment software as well, and now I have many more ideas about this, and this will be even better than the previous diagnosis software. Sari was given in place of Rivera in Hindi book in Vispota Kashayam. And this is just for Vispota, that is what they are saying. Generally, Vispota alone is not found, it won't be associated with Jwara as such. But we may consider this as one of the important aspects. And there are certain people seen who are having a tendency of getting boils all over the body. When will the software be ready? Can't say right now. May take another year or two. But we'll try our level best to bring it as and when ready or something like that. So Tivra Vidai Yukta Vispota. So this we may try to consider as important. Patola Trifalarishta Guduchi Dhavani Vrushahi Sakaranjeh Kashayam Kushtajit Vajrakam Spratam. So this is Kushtajit Vajra. Dhavani is Khadira. Patola Trifala Arishta Nimba Guduchi Dhavani Khadira and Vrusha Vasa Karanja. Kashayam Kushtajit Vajrakam Spratam. So it is like a Vajra or Kushta. Is this available? Patola Trifaladi? This is like a Vajra, so this might be more useful as such or more effective as such. Khadirarishta Guduchi Patola Darvi Duralabha Kwathaha Kushtanam Vinihanta Daityanam Nrisimhayu. Is this available, Khadiradi? Khadira Arishta Guduchi Patola Darvi Duralabha. This is quite simple. And like Nrisimha, who is killing the demons, this Vatha conquers Kushta. That is what. Duralabha. No, sir. No, I completed that case. Vispotaka Jwara, that was the thing, and I completed. And as I said, Patolati was the main drug, and she recovered completely. That's all. So this Kushta Vinihanta, this again, these two pathas are just following each other. Kakodumbrika Vella Chandra Lekha Shutam Jalam Pitam Pradhavaye Shritram Kushtam Audumbaram Yatha Tatha. So Kakodumbrika, this is a kind of this Udumbara Vruksha, and Vella is Vidanga, Chandra Lekha is Bakuchi. Pitam Pradhavayet Shvitram Kushtam Audumbaram Tatha. Shvitra, Kushtha, and Audumbara. These are practically particularly taken care by this kind of kashaya. Vilas Nandal sir had worked on Kakodumbarika, and he was using, I suppose, Siddhagrutha with this for Snehapana or some decoction of this for giving Vamana. And he said that the results were good. Patients having tendency to boils all over body, what should be the diagnosis? Vidradhi. Yeah, that might be the Vidradhi is the diagnosis, and this might be useful in that. I've come across at least 3-4 cases of this, and with Raktapachak and other dravyas, Sariva, Manjishta, etc. Gradually, they get recovered, and it takes 5-6 months, 1 year, and we also do Rakta Mokshana from time to time, 2-3 months, and this settles that I have seen, but it takes quite long time. So this might be useful in that condition. Vajraka Kashaya available आहे. Okay. वज्रक घृता आहे, but वज्रक कषाय is not in use. काकोदुंबरिका म्हणजे काय? त्याला काय माहिती आहे का काकोदुंबरिका? One who knows about Dravyaguna, it's a different tree actually, and it's available by Kakodumbara itself. So I am not sure what kind of tree it is, but maybe we try to find out. Vasamrta Nimba Patola Vagri. Vajraka Mamanante. So this is Vajraka Ghruta, that is, and is that available? I'm not sure. Kakodumbar will post Latin name. Vajraka Tel पण मिळते. I don't know whether it is from the same. Vajraka Kashaya. Kharapatra Asta. खोडालाच फळे लागतात. कठगोर. Kakodumbara only. So this is called as Kakodumbara only. Vajraka Tail different part. Kakodumbara as Falgu Amarkosha. But it's not. But it's like Udumbara, but it's different from Udumbara. That is. So we may try to find out what is Kakodumbara. That will be better to understand. And this is particularly for Shvitra. This is a good part. And Shvitra is anyway very difficult to treat, and there are no definite results about that. So whatever is available, that we may try to understand. Huh? I'm not remembering it properly. Ficus hispida is Kakodumbara. Moraceae family. Okay, somebody may put picture of this. Try to search it. Sir, we have Kakodumbara in our Ayurved Vyaspeeth Dhanvantari Udyan Ahmednagar. Post a picture there. Kakodumbara Panas फलो, कंटकी फलो, निचुलो, हिज्जुलो, अंबुज, काकोदंबरिका, फल्गु, मलयु, जागणे फल, अमरकोश. But better we see Ayurvedic Shabdakosh or Vaidyaka Shabda Sindhu, not Amarkosh. Jagane Phala, Jagana Phala or something like that. Shvitra Vaishajya. So Shvitra Vaishajya is a Paryaya. Vajraka Kashaya available same part. ABS. Vajraka Grutas also available. Sitaram. Vajraka Tail different part. Mahavajraka Tail also available. Different also available ABS. Vata Kafakara Kathina Vata Kafahara Kathina Jira Kushtavar Kathina Jirna Kushtavar. Okay. Okay, she has already posted this Flowers of India net. I have sent photo in the link. Okay, it is called hairy fig. This is also quite strange. So having hair over the either maybe fruits or the bark, I don't know. Katrina Jirana Kushthavar. So there are so many pathas, and let this also be posted on GSBC group. This Flowers of India catalog. Hairy fig HTML. So that might be possible. So let Flowers of India is a website. So that is good if we can look into that. The next part is quite big. Manjushta Musta Putatakuduchi Kushtanaгаrehi Bhangi Kshudra Vacha Nimba Yashnishatvaya Paratrikai Patola Kutuki Murva Vidangasana Chitrakaihi Shatavari Trayamana Krishnendrayava Vasakaihi Brungaraj Mahadaru Patha Kadira Chandane Trivrit Varunakaihi Varuna Kairat Bakuchi Krutamalakaihi Shakotak Mahanimba Karanjati Vishajalehi Indravarani Thananta Sariva Properties Samehi Ebikuta Katam Pibet Katham Krishna Gukulu Sanyutam. So Pipali and Gugulu. Ashtadashesu Pushteshu Vatraktar Dite Tatha Upadamshe Shlipade Ksha Prasupto Pakshaghatake Medo Doshe Netra Roge Manjishtadi Prashasyate. So this might be Bruhat Manjishtadi. There is Lagu Manjishtadi, Manjishta Tripala Tikta, Nishadaru Murtamu. So photo sent on GSBC. Okay. So let us conclude over here and continue tomorrow. Ayurveda Prakando Nigadita Ihahi Shalyatantra Pradhanaha Shirshrebhya Shashvato Yan Nikhilajana Krupa Vyapta Chitte Nayena Ayurvedasya Vanchan Punarapi Bhuvane Tancha Sushtu Pratishtham Shreshtham Danvantarintam Pranamati Cha Sada Vaidyavargo Hinunam Vaidyavargo Hinunam विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापारः श्वः पुनरपि मिलिष्यामः।